Well, one of the secret weapons to law school success is to be prepared and to understand what is expected of you. And I think a lot of first year law students just don't understand that. And the way to do that is to understand the way that law school's taught, to understand how to brief a case. It means you need to outline certain elements of the case and then and be able to recite that. Like the professor may ask you on the first day of law school, okay, explain to me who the petitioner is in the case. So you need to have read the case, but you need to know what a petitioner is. But other than that, the secret weapon is just to be prepared, and is just your mental state, because people freak out when they go into law school and think, oh, I can't handle it, it's too much. And so, therefore, that fear mindset gets in the way. So, you need to tell yourself, I'm going to be successful. I can do this. And I think it's also very important to take some yoga breaks or some study breaks and actually stretch. You just kind of can't see the forest from the trees. So, it's nice to take a little break.